Are you ready for more money in your pocket? Now, let's discuss 10 signs that wealth and abundance are on your way. Number 1. Your perspective of big money has changed. Let's be specific. Back then, when I'm shopping for clothes, I saw a pair of pants that cost $30. That's a big deal to me. I'll have to think twice, thrice, or even 10 times before I'll give in to that. But it has changed now. When filling up my gas tank and it reaches $30 and more, it's not something that I'm scared of already. It's not that much for me now. If you had that certain situation where a sum of money that used to be a big deal for you is not that big of a deal to you anymore, then your perception of big money is changing. Perception change is a big deal. That is a sign that big money is coming your way. Number 2. Your spending guilt is gone. Worrying about spending money is a sign of limitation or fear on the subject of money. Now, if you're starting to purchase more without the concern of money limitation or worrying about it, then it's a good sign that your money blocks are gone and wealth is coming to you. Number 3. Your expenses are going up. People who are wealthy usually have higher expenses. They live in areas with higher property taxes. They're purchasing more and they have homes that cost more money. The thought is usually when you're spending money, you're getting rid of it. Well, in fact, you're attracting more of it. The law of attraction is focused on attention, so money will grow and go to where it is being used to. Money likes movement and flow, in and out, in and out. This means hiding money under your bed or in the cabinet where it cannot be seen will detract from money attraction instead of spending more, which is a good sign that wealth is coming your way. Number 4. Out with the old, in with the new. If you start to believe, manifest, journal, start to make affirmations, or simply think more positively now, the cast of people in your life are actually changing too. This can actually happen in many ways. One can see people leaving, like a group of friends dissolving. Then, you can also see a group of people showing up, like new friends or acquaintances. Now, if you see people with higher wealth consciousness coming into your life and those with low wealth consciousness leaving, then that's a good sign that wealth is coming your way. If you ever heard of the saying, birds of the same feather flock together, then it's a manifestation of the law of attraction. If you're doing a good job of aligning with more positive beliefs and expectations about money coming your way, then you'll find your environment will shift towards this alignment. Number 5. You believe in law of attraction. Studying wealthy people made us realize the habits that they usually do to attract wealth and abundance. Rich people usually talk about the power of positivity, power of visualization, law of attraction, and manifestation. Believing and acknowledging how your energy works is actually a great tool you have to create a reality with a lot of money. Mindfulness about law of attraction is a sign that money is on its way to you. Number 6. You are totally unconcerned about money. This doesn't mean you're not focused on money, just that you're not bothered on where the money comes from. Let's say, for example, when people at your workplace are worried that they will be laid off on a possible downsizing, but you're not stressed about it because you know you're landing on your feet and it's all gonna be okay. If you have this kind of feeling and inner thought, it's fine if this doesn't work out this way. I know there'll be a better way or another way. Then it's a great sign that you have a strong degree of trust that you'll be financially provided for. This is absolutely essential when it comes to wealth abundance. Number 7. You enjoy the subject of money. You enjoy conversations and programming related to money. If you shut off from wealth attraction, it means that there's fear that you're holding onto with regards to money. Not liking conversations about money and not liking rich people means that you have money blocks. In addition to that, watching television shows and podcasts about wealth may make you feel uncomfortable too. But if you genuinely enjoy listening to conversations about money or learning about money through YouTube videos, books, podcasts, then it's a good sign that money and abundance are on the way to you. Number 8. Unashamed but not boastful of material things. If you don't feel bad about getting a new car or the nice clothes that you're wearing for a night out with friends, and at the same time you don't rub it in anyone's face, that's a great sign that abundance is normal for you. Money and abundance are not big deals for you. Then, if you're radiating that message that it's normal for you, then you'll attract more of them. Because you're putting it out there that this is normal or your standard, so the universe will bring more for you. Number 9. You're taking more financial risks. People who are more careful and fearful of their money usually lack an abundance mindset. While if you think about it, the wealthiest people are those who take huge financial risks. For example, building a company focused on manufacturing or the outer space. It seems like a massive financial risk. But some of the wealthiest men of the world are taking it. Now, if you find yourself naturally drawn to taking financial risks like trying new business ideas, buying real estate, or cooperating to do some business deals, then it's a great sign. It means that you trust the vibration and have a strong sense of security and ability to attract money. Number 10. Multiple streams of income are starting to form. If you're starting to see multiple streams of income, then it's a sign that you're tapping into the idea of abundance being an infinite resource. As you open up to the idea of money being an infinite resource, you'll find that reality manifests itself in such a way as to represent infinite streams of abundance. Looking at very wealthy people, you'll see that they have multiple streams of income. They've got real estate properties, multiple businesses, got dividends coming from this and interest coming from that. Now, if you're starting to see money coming from different sources, then it's a good sign that wealth is headed your way. But it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to own multiple businesses. It can simply be your higher rebates or returns in your accounts. Money is starting to come to you more frequently rather than just one source. Those are the 10 signs money and abundance are on its way to you. Let it be. More money in your pocket. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you.